What's going on, guys, and welcome to Somewhere in SoCal. My name is Mike Debelak, and in every video I show you guys what it's like to live somewhere in SoCal. Now, this is the most impromptu video I have ever filmed. I had zero intention of filming today. I'm actually here to close and give keys to one of my clients at this home right here in Coachella. All right, got here early. We were waiting for the notice that the recording is there with the county. We're gonna get keys. And this is my third time closing. Actually, it's my fourth because of their family too, but it's my third/fourth transaction with this family. So my clients become my family. So to celebrate, all right, don't judge. If you get offended by this, all right, I'm probably not your realtor, all right? But anyways, they give me a shot to be the realtor, so it's my turn to give them some shots. Once we get that email, we are gonna take some shots here and celebrate. But in the meantime, while we're waiting, I did want to show you guys this community because I was surprised that when talking to the sales rep here, there's still a lot of availability here, and these homes are really priced like nicely for people. And they got lots of good programs too, is what I should say. All right, so the homes in this community are starting at $499 all the way up to $570 for the base price on the biggest model here. All right, obviously with, you know, different features and stuff, you can go higher. All right, but luckily on this path here, there's 3 models and floor plans in this neighborhood. They're all right next to each other. All right, so we'll start with this one right here. This one right here is gonna be the Visionary. All right, this is the biggest model here. The model home is here, so I'm gonna actually walk through and give you guys a tour of that one here in a second. All right, this one right here is called the Gateway. This one starts at $499. All right, this one is gonna be 4 beds, 2 baths, just under 2,000 square feet. All right, and over here, we're gonna have the Pathway. All right, the Pathway starts at $529,000. We got 5 beds, 2.5 baths, a little bit over 2,400 square feet. So, like literally, it looked out that the 3 models they have are all right next to each other. All right, that is the house that I'm getting keys to today. We're taking some shots. So, other cool thing about this community, guys, is there is no HOA. All right, absolutely no HOA, and there's tons of great incentives here as well. So if you're looking for something with no HOA, kind of, you know, in the $500,000 range, this is a great community for you over here in Coachella. If you want to reach out to schedule a tour here and come see this baby, all right, reach out to me down below. My contact information is down there. Anyways, so I'm gonna wait for these guys, but I guess we could just walk around real quick and kind of just show you a little bit of the community. All right, so you see all these homes, really big houses with huge yards, guys. And some of these are really cool views. I don't know if you can see, let me just zoom in on my camera. I wasn't even prepared, guys. I had no microphone, nothing. No tripod, this is me just walking around. All right, you got backyard views back there. Anyways, lots and lots of houses. Oh, they are here. Alrighty, so we're still waiting for the recording to happen so we can take those shots. But, all right, I told you guys I would show you guys through the model. All right, so right now we're outside. This is the only model they've got at this neighborhood. There's some of the other models close by. All right, but this is gonna be the Visionary. This is, I guess, the most luxurious floor plan here, the most expensive. This is the one that starts at $569,000. All right, got 5 beds, 3 baths, 2,800, a little over 2,800 square feet. All right, so obviously this right here is set up as a sales office. That is gonna be the garage. So a nice, you know, driveway here. All right, with the front entrance to the house here. So let's do this. Let's go straight through the front of the house and see what's up. So walk in here, boom. All right, so right now this is the sales office, but this is just a cool study area. So if you work from home, or you set up however you want, really. All right, so it's a really cool setup at the front of the house if someone works from home. All right, and then you got, that would be the garage over there. Victor, say what's up. Victor, how many houses have we done together?
Tell us about that.
Not 2, not 3.
4, yep. See, I wasn't lying, guys. I was filming a video when you guys drove up too, so. Are you cool to be honest? Okay. Okay. All right, we got the kitchen over here. Giant island. We got a giant island. You got a corner pantry right here. Lots of space. appliances. Nice dining area set up. All right, and then you've got a cool living room. I really like the setup here. It just flows really nicely. You know, you got your kitchen, your dining area. Really love the way they got this decorated too. All right, as we go past this, so right, they got this set up as another office over here, but this is a bedroom. All right, it's one of the bedrooms. Pretty average sized bedroom. This is a cool little spot here. A little mud area. Got a storage closet here. All right, and then you've got your downstairs bathroom right here. See, you guys, totally, I got no mic, no tripod.
Yeah, boy.
Totally impromptu. All right, let's go check out the backyard. They won't let us out there. Anyways, these come as dirt lots. All right, you see, you got really big backyards here and some cool views. You got like a palm tree farm across the way. You got good mountain views. Yeah. That's Mario. Say what's up to Mario, guys.
What's up, guys?
Hey guys, if you come in, watch my video, come in, ask for Mario. He'll take care of you.
Take care of you guys.
There we go. So at the top of the stairs, we got a nice loft. This thing can be set up as like a man cave, kids play area, or just a second living area. Really loving this workstation they got set up too. So these new houses are really, you know, the builders do a good job of giving inspiration and ideas of things that you might not have thought of really. So lots of space up here at the top of the stairs. You got your laundry area. Pretty good sized laundry room. All right, another bedroom upstairs here. For whatever reason, they always got one set up as a nursery. Maybe it's because people who are shopping for houses are usually pregnant or, you know, growing their families or wanting to grow their families. But there's a nice closet. Another bedroom here. This one's pretty wide. Pretty good sized room. Closet there. A storage closet. We'll save the master for last. All kinds of closets in this place. There's no shelves or anything here, but space to store some stuff. You got the bathroom upstairs. You got the dual sinks, giant mirror. You got the shower tub combo toilet. All right, this is cool because, you know, if you got kids that are gonna be brushing their teeth in the morning, getting ready for school, multiple, you got two sinks, but also if someone needs to go to the bathroom, shower, bath, or whatever, all right, you got the privacy here for someone else to do their thing and get ready. All right, off there, we got another bedroom. Another really good sized bedroom. The closet doors. Lots of space there. Giant master bedroom. I like the way they painted that accent wall and put the frames up there. That's super cool. All right, so notice just the dressers on the side of the bed. And then you got the corner there. See, something they did that's really cool that a lot of these builders don't do is they centered the bed to where the TV is probably gonna go. All right, a lot of builders would just put it right in the middle there, but I guess you have the window to compete with too, so. Anyways, lots of room here. You could have, you know, a little sitting, reading area there as well. You got the throne, two sinks, stand-up shower, bath, and a walk-in closet. Ooh, with shelves. Lots of shelves. I don't see those at a lot of new builds, those shelves in the closet. So I'm gonna do a spin test. Harder to do without the tripod, but all right, it's been around pretty good. Anyways, all right guys, so yeah, I showed you guys the model. I talked about the other 3 homes. Let's wrap this thing up outside.
A few moments later.
Too much. Ooh, told you I froze it. Got a little smoke coming out of there. Yes, sir. Here, should we get it? We'll do the next 3 at the party. Yeah. I owe him 3, so we're good. All right, guys. So that was Bellisima by Centex in Coachella. Like I said, that was my most impromptu video ever. No mic, no drone, no tripod. It was literally, that's the real me. So if you guys, if you like the way I operate, do things, all right, that was real me. There's no facade here, all right? The guy you see on camera is the real dude who's with clients too. So if you like my vibe, like my style, go ahead, reach out. I would love to help you guys find yours somewhere in SoCal. Now, this community here in Coachella, right? There's still a bunch of availability, as I was mentioning in the opening, all right? No HOA, tons and tons of incentives, all right? If you go with their lender, there's, you know, incentives. I think Victor and Veronica, where they were gonna get, I wanna say it was $24,000 in closing costs from the builder. So really good incentives. They ended up going with my preferred lender outside, Jared, that I work with a lot for my, obviously this channel, and then also for our channel in Texas as well. So Jared was able to hook them up a lot. He got them with, you know, super low closing costs, great rate, and was actually able to, despite the the difference in incentives that the builder gave, Jared was able to get them into a better situation as far as monthly payment goes. So anyways, do all the things, like, subscribe, tap the notification bell. That way you stay up to date on everything going on, and I can help you find you somewhere in SoCal. All right, in the meantime, oops, it's different here. YouTube's gonna throw up a video that they think you'll like here. I'll put some playlists right here for you to watch out, and I'll see you guys soon. Later.